So here you can rotate it as you want. So I recommend PACDORA for you. Just then we come to the properties and then we click on it and then we go to shadow. Alright, this is fine. Let's click on OK. But this tutorial is sponsored by PACDORA. Now PACDORA is an online 3D packaging design tool that can help you create amazing markup, from boxes to t-shirts, but all sorts of markup you can get it from PACDORA, and it's very affordable. So to purchase PACDORA, use my promo code J20. When you use J20, you are going to get 20% discount. So let's get started. Special Shito package or label. So this is from PACDORA. The marker is from PACDORA, and this is the main design from Photoshop. You are going to create this in Photoshop, then you send the design to PACDORA to do the markup. So let's get started. Alright, so we go to File, New, and then we pick inches here. Then the width is going to be 11.54. Then the height 4.31. The resolution remains 300. You can name it Shito level. Alright, so let's click on OK. Good. So we just unlock our background here. So let's start by creating our background. So we pick the rectangular tool, then we draw a very nice shape here covering 1/3 part of the canvas. Okay, then the white area here, we are going to give it yellow color. So here to create a shape here, then put the yellow or the yellow ochre in it. The next thing is to create our shape, which involves the Shito design. So what we do is that we click on the ellipse tool, then we zoom in a little. Here we pick the directional tool, then we are going to distort the circle a little bit. So let's do it this way. But we just have to play with the controls. Select the layer style, we go to gradient overlay. Alright, good. I think this is okay. So make sure you select the gradient white, then brown, and the deep brown will be okay. Now the next thing is to duplicate this by holding the Alt. Then reduce the size, rotate it this way. Then we pick our eraser tool, we right click on it, and then we go to rasterize layer, reduce the size of the eraser. But so the next thing that you're going to create an outline around it or a stroke. So select the first one that we created, we go to layer style, then stroke. So from yellow to white is okay. So let's reduce the size a little bit. So the next thing is that you're going to group it. Hold the tool, hold control, click on the two layers, then Control E to group. Let's zoom out. So pick this one, drag it to the middle a little. So here, let's bring some of the resources. Let's bring this one. I'll put the link in the description box. Okay. Pick the eraser tool, then release the edges a little bit. Then we go to the layer mode. We send it to overlay. Now the next thing is to write Shito, but let's increase the size of this. Zoom in, then pick the horizontal tool. Let's select the font. So we bring it to the middle, we enlarge it, then we create a little shadow. So go to the layer style, drop shadow. That's okay. Let me enlarge it a little. Then let's bring the ingredients. We pick this one, we drag and drop. So this one, I'm going to remove the background. We just pick this, the magic wand tool. We click on the white area, then you press on delete to delete it. Ctrl D to deselect. Then you're going to put this one behind the other one. Then let's bring this, put it somewhere here. Okay, let me put this one on top of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just duplicate the Shito, then use it to write the special. So the special, let's do it white, decrease the size a bit. Then let's go and bring this particular one. I'll make sure I'll put all the link of the resource in the description box, so make sure you request for it. So we pick the horizontal tool, then we write GE special Shito. This tutorial is sponsored by PACDORA. Now, PACDORA is an online 3D packaging design tool that can help you create amazing mockup, from boxes to t-shirts, but all sorts of mockup you can get it from PACDORA, and it's very affordable. So to purchase PACDORA, use my promo code J20. When you use J20, you are going to get 20% discount. So let's get started. So the next thing is to bring the ingredients and other writings on the label. So we start by picking the rectangular tool. We create a shape here. Let's give it a deep brown. Alright, deep red. I think deep red will be okay. Let's bring this one natural, 100% natural ingredients. Let's put that here. Reduce the size. That's fine. The zoom tool, zoom it, bring the rectangular shape, create a shape like this at the top. Then we come to the properties and then we click on it, and then we go to the layer style. We want to create a step down shadow. Alright, this is fine. Let's click on OK. Then we bring the ingredients and put it here. Then let's continue to bring the other tests. That's okay. Let's zoom out. So we continue to bring the other tests. So let's bring the rectangular tool, create a shape here like that. Then use the properties and shape the edges. Okay, that's fine. Hold the Alt key and drag to duplicate. Change the color to red. So let's pick the color from here. That's fine. And then bring it down there. Then here I'm just going to insert the rest of the text. Let me zoom in. Put the cursor here. Then the back key so that it can. Then we use the shape. That's fine. Control over to zoom out. Bring the clear code, drag and drop. reduce the size. And the last step to bring is the way to put them here. Decrease the size, increase the size, and then put one there. Or also be at the downs. Duplicate it by holding the Alt key, then dragging. Rotate it. What you rotate, you just bring the cursor here at the corners. You realize that the cursor will change to an arc. So I want to reduce the opacity of this. Let me go for the layer panel. Presets are there. So reduce the opacity of this a little. So we have done this. We are going to send it to PACDORA to create the backup. So let's go to PACDORA. So you scroll down and come to, you pick one of them. I think the tall glass honey jar is okay. So you click on add image. Then we pick our image or our label. Perfect. So here you just have to adjust it to the level you want. This one I want to put it in the middle. So this is okay. So you click on save. So here you can rotate it as you want. So I recommend PACDORA for you. Just check the link in the description box and get some discount. You can even customize the materials here. Click on this. So just play with it. So this is the surface. Let's play. Get the glass texture. Just click on super export. So here there's an option here. You can save it to PNG here or 4K resolution. So let's pick the 4K render. You can also come here to videos and create a video animation. So just pick any of them that you want. So you can send a short video to your clients. You can even download it here, download video, and your client will be very happy with your work. You can also change the background. So click on AI background. Then you have a lot of options here that you can select from. So anyone you think that is good, just select it and you're good to go. Alright, so there's an interesting option here. This particular option, 3D design. Let's click on it. Great. So this is giving you a very good 3D environment, and you can pick any of these options. You can see you have a lot of them here. So when you click on this scene, that's amazing. Let's click on this one. So when you are showing this to your clients, it's a very good professional way of showing your work. Background here, select the lighting here. In fact, you can do a lot with this too. Remember to subscribe. I'm Snapper and I'm out.